Soule, I always remind you to pay attention to mature size when you plant your garden. And here it is done right. Here's the sidewalk. Here's the Hesper aloe. And as you can see, we're looking down on it. It's not reaching the sidewalk. So this was proper placement of this plant. Now Hesper aloe will bloom with gorgeous pink flowers that hummingbirds adore. And the other thing is these little curlicues are, birds will come in and harvest them and take them for nest building. So if you don't have ornamental grasses, they'll use your Hesper aloe. How cool is that? Thanks for watching.